The Earth is a planet of water. However, we human beings can use only 0.2% of all water on the Earth. Having polluted and wasted the water, mankind now faces a serious water crisis. Various individuals and organizations around the world have begun using beneficial microorganisms known as EM to purify water resources. EM has been shown effective in improving the environments of ponds and lakes, rivers, and the seas. As is recently reported by the United Nations, the water crisis we face today is grave and global. It is why EM is drawing attention in various countries as an answer for purifying water resources. Water is purified by the soil in natural cycles. This process is essential to the provision of water for all life. Water purification with EM originally began with its application to crops and the soil. Various data show the effectiveness of EM. Toxic chemicals accumulated in the soil were reduced. Their amounts being absorbed by crops were also reduced. EM technology was developed in 1982 by Dr. Teruo Higa, professor at the University of the Ryukyus. It is now being recognized as a technology which brings out the potential power of nature through usage of beneficial microorganisms and is currently produced in 45 countries around the world. EM technology satisfies various requirements for healthy and sustainable agriculture. EM has been certified in several countries as an organic material or an organic additive for animal feed. Organic farming using EM restores the inherent power of soil and increases crop production. Tests have shown that EM has increased the yield of wheat by up to 30%. EM has also increased the amount of fruit juice of, for example, oranges. When used for crop cultivation, EM purifies not only the soil, but also the water coming out of it. The water circulates in nature and nurtures crops again. We believe there are 5 requirements for agriculture, for mankind and Earth. It must conform to nature and protect the environment. It must produce quality food to enhance human health. It must be beneficial to both farmers and consumers. It must be sustainable and easily practiced. It must produce enough food for an expanding world population. By reviving nature with the power of beneficial microorganisms, EM technology enables farming systems to satisfy all these requirements. The maximum cost of EM is about 6 yen or 5 US cents per liter in Japan. With EM at this cost, a farmer can make enough EM fertilizer for 10 acres of orchard for 1 year. This equals more than 100 apple trees or more than 70 tangerine trees. EM is safe to use, comfortable to use, low cost, and produces high-quality crops. Anybody, anywhere in the world can use EM abundantly and sustainably. EM is a complex culture solution of safe and beneficial microorganisms, such as lactic acid bacteria, photosynthetic bacteria, and yeasts. The microorganisms in EM are found in regions anywhere